friends, welcome to Spice Dhamal. Hope all of you are doing absolutely fine. आशा करता हूँ आप सब लोग मजे में रहेंगे, अच्छी चीजें खाते और टेस्ट करते रहेंगे और बनाते भी रहेंगे। तो हमने आज तक बहुत सारी रेसिपीज बनाई है. We have done lot of recipes and I know you all like our tikka recipes. So today I am here again with you all with one fantastic tikka recipe. This is a tikka which is favorite of everybody and this is a green color tikka. So it is popularly known as Pahadi tikka. It is made with nice flavors of herbs and coriander and mint. So before I tell you the ingredients for this recipe, let us do one thing. You know what I'm going to say, right? So if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe it. If you like the video, press the thumb icon, press the bell icon, so whenever we do fantastic recipes, you get an instant notification. So let's see what you need for Pahadi tikka. So we have got chicken breast boneless. We are making this recipe for around 500 gram of chicken. So now I will show you how to cut the tikkas. So this breast we will make one tikka like this. Then we can cut the breast in half and again make two tikkas from this and cutting diagonally make tikka pieces like this. So similarly I will make tikkas for the entire 500 grams of chicken breast for our Pahadi chicken tikka. So main ingredient for chicken Pahadi tikka is the green paste which we make for making the Pahadi tikka. The part of marination is the green paste of mint and coriander. So धनिया पुदीना का पेस्ट है और उसमें जाएगा अदरक लहसुन भी. तो ये अराउंड 1 इंच का अदरक है, उसको हमने काटा हुआ है. 8 से 10 कलियां हैं लहसुन की. So there is ginger, garlic and 4 small chilies I am using. So that is as per choice. To which we are adding 1 handful of mint and coriander leaves. To this we will add little bit of salt and a little bit of oil to make a fine paste. But you have to remember that you don't have to add any water in this or a little drop of water if needed, but as much as possible no water. So our green paste is nice and ready, but let's see what all we need along with the green paste. So first thing for marination we are going to add to our chicken is the juice of half a lemon. Okay, now we will add 1.5 tablespoon of garam masala, which will give nice fragrance to our tikka. We will be adding kasuri methi, 1 tablespoon, a teaspoon of dhania powder and a half a teaspoon of turmeric. Now we need to add some hung curd and butter. So butter will give nice silky texture to our tikka, and we will add around 3 tablespoons of hung curd. We will add around a tablespoon of roasted besan for binding, and it's time to add the green paste that we had made. Little more salt as per taste. Let us give it a good mix and minimum you have to keep this marination for 30 minutes. Maximum you can keep it overnight also, or 4 to 5 hours, but that is in the refrigerator. So our chicken is nicely marinated now in the refrigerator. Let us put it on the bamboo skewer and then we will cook it. So let us thread them on bamboo skewers. So you take one piece of tikka and you do threading like this. So that is our one skewer ready. Similarly, we will make the next one. So we have threaded our tikkas onto the bamboo stick or the bamboo skewer. You can actually bake them in the oven as well at 250 degrees Celsius for around 15 minutes till they cook. But we are going to do this a no oven recipe, so we will be grilling them on a grill pan. So let's grill them and taste them. So our grill pan is hot. We will just add little bit of oil to it and just take a tissue paper and quickly rub it on all of its edges. Now it's time to grill the chicken tikka skewers. So let's just put 4 of them and cook while turning them each time. So it will take around 8 to 10 minutes to cook them. So our chicken tikkas are nicely cooked. They are ready to serve. See, they need to be firm like this. So then they are ready from inside. Now we will just plate it and enjoy it. So our super delicious chicken pahadi kebabs are ready and they are looking nice and gorgeous. So let us test one of them and see how is it. So let me remove one. So that's one delicious looking tikka, nice and soft chicken breast cooked perfectly and nice coating of the mint and coriander and spices. So let's taste it. Wow, delicious. You must try this recipe for your family and friends. So the beautiful pahadi chicken tikka is done. But if you are new to the channel, if you are watching our channel first time, make sure you subscribe to it. If you like the recipe, don't forget to press the thumb icon so that we can get motivation to do delicious recipes like this. Share this recipe with your family and friends. And until we meet again, stay happy, stay healthy and enjoy cooking.